turn on the surveillance monitors.
Yes, sir.
It's worse than I thought. Each morning at 9, they trickle through the gate. They go home early. They come in late. Reeking of cheap liquor, they stumble through the day. Never give a thought to honest work for honest pay. I know it shouldn't vex me. I shouldn't take it hard. I should ignore their capering with a kingly disregard. But look at all those idiots. Oh, look at all those boobs. An office full of morons. A factory full of fools. Is it any wonder that I'm singing the blues?
Yours is a heavy burden, sir.
I'm just getting started. They make personal phone calls on company time. They Xerox their buttocks, and guess who pays the dime? Their blatant thievery wounds me. Their ingratitude astounds. I long to lure them to my home and then release the hounds. I shouldn't grow unsettled when faced with such abuse. I shouldn't let it plague me. I shouldn't blow a fuse. But look at all those idiots. Oh, look at all those boobs. An office full of morons. A factory full of fools. Is it any wonder I'm singing the blues? What happened? Where are the instruments?
I believe they call this a breakdown, sir.
I can't have any breakdowns here. What if there was an inspector around? Play a guitar solo.
I'm a little out of practice, sir.
I said do it. So do it.
Yes, sir. Uh-huh.
Yes, excellent. Well done. Alright, it's beginning to grate. That will be sufficient, Smithers.
Excuse me?
I said that's enough!
Oh, sorry, sir. Thought I had my mojo working.
That man by the cooler drinking water as if it's free.
Oh, that's Homer Simpson, sir. A drone from Sector 7G.
Yes, we'll call this Simpson to my office and stay to watch the fun. If he's 6 feet when he enters, he'll be 2 feet when I'm done. It brings a ray of sunshine to my unhappy life, to make him kneel before me and slowly twist the knife. Look at all those idiots! Look at all those boobs! An office full of morons! A factory full of fools! Is it any wonder that I'm singing the blues?
Take me home, sir.
I'm trying. Surrounded by idiots! Outnumbered by boobs! An office full of morons! A planet full of fools! Is it any wonder I'm singing?
Maybe you should be singing, sir.
Singing the blues!
Mr. Burns, you make Muddy Waters sound shallow and cheerful by comparison.
Thank you, Smithers. Meaningless but heartfelt compliments. I feel like I got a few things off my chest and onto the chests of my inferiors.
You did.
Why are they still playing?
Um,
They're not still on salary, are they?
we're not validating their parking, sir.